Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use levels. So levels are located in tools which are below the visual style tools, and levels are mostly used for the buildings. Now we have some furniture and it would be nice to have a small building. So our main room I will not change or modify, I will create additional objects. So I will select a simple box. I will make it a little bit larger, let's say 4 meters. And now I will add some levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 levels. And if I move on my box, I click tab, so it nicely highlights all lines and faces together. I click left mouse. I go to properties and I activate level option and I select levels for my building. And I click display levels and I can see levels inside my building. Level 0, level 3.5 and level 7 meters. If I change distance 0.5, I can see this blue line is in different position, and if I have this line I can snap to this line and I can create new interesting objects. I can renumber default names and I can add multiply levels. And if I will change one of the colors, so I can see inside my building and how the levels are created inside my building. So these levels are nice feature and it helps create levels when you export this model into Revit application. Also, let's turn on axis grids so I can see all objects. Okay, so thank you for your attention.